Buses are the most widespread form of public transportation in America, transporting people to work, school, healthcare, and other destinations in every community in every state. To support bus transit nationwide, the Federal Transit Administration recently awarded $264 million for 139 projects in bus and bus facilities competitive infrastructure grants. Competitive bus grants meet local needs. They provide funding to help modernize America's bus infrastructure, improving bus service, upgrading maintenance facilities that keep fleets safe and reliable, and building transit centers that help travelers connect. Congress created the competitive portion of the bus program as part of the FAST Act in 2015. Some 1,200 transit bus systems operate in the U.S., with an astonishing 5.3 billion bus trips clocked every year. FTA bus grants spur economic growth by taking people to jobs, stimulating local manufacturing, and creating new development opportunities. In Miami-Dade County, Florida, about 100 bus routes serve 4.5 million South Florida residents every month. To keep their buses running reliably and on time, Miami-Dade successfully applied to FTA to purchase a few dozen new buses. The buses will replace older buses that have met or exceeded their useful life. Replacements save the City of Miami costs from maintaining old buses and avoid breakdowns. Mountain Line buses in Missoula, Montana have served this city of 85,000 since 1976 and are seeing growing ridership. With FTA support, the Missoula Urban Transportation District will rehab passenger facilities on its busiest routes, make signs uniform, and replace its oldest buses. Missoula officials have promoted how the popular Mountain Line lessens congestion and improves accessibility in the mountain community. While most of our nation's bus systems serve urban areas, many rural communities greatly depend on microtransit bus systems that receive support from FTA. In rural America, buses link residents of rural towns to opportunities and job centers. They provide on-demand service to medical appointments. They take tribal residents from reservations to jobs and services, sometimes over long distances. And they offer what, sometimes, is the only travel option for people who don't own a car or people with disabilities. In Iowa, the State Department of Transportation oversees transit systems that provide nearly 27.5 million rides a year statewide. Buses serve every Iowa county, ensuring that rural Iowans have access to jobs, healthcare, and other opportunities. FTA awarded a grant to the Iowa DOT to help purchase buses, including 23 rural transit systems in the state. The new vehicles will replace aging buses, improving safety and reducing the cost of maintaining outdated vehicles. During any given rush hour, as many as 48,000 buses drive the streets of America. FTA's support remains vital to ensuring that buses will help meet the transportation needs of the American people for years to come.